Singing spears, plasma rifles, and solar weapons. That phrase perfectly blends mythic image with cutting-edge and dangerous tech. The reality is a mixture of science and engineering plus geopolitics, ethics, and law. So let's get clear on what this concept means and what's behind the buzzwords. Real science behind the concepts. What's plausible today? What's real? What are the signatures or forensics of such a weapon? What are the legal and ethical problems? And what would be safe, creative, or policy directions? The phrase evokes two things: singing and spears. Singing implies an audible or M signature. Resonance, the weapon singing as it fires, perhaps a plasma hum or an RF tone. Spears implies a directed penetrating projectile or beam, something landslide, range and precise, together. These notions imply directed energy weapons that use plasma or concentrated sunlight, and their derivatives to cut, burn, or disrupt at a distance, often imagined as sci-fi rifles or orbital solar concentrators. Realistically, this concept blends elements of directed energy weapons, plasma science, and astroengineering. Directed energy broadly covers lasers, high-power microwaves, particle beams, and plasma jets. All these transfer energy to a target at the speed of light or near light, causing heating, ablative removal, or electronic disruption. Solar concentration uses mirrors or lenses to collect sunlight, producing extremely high temperatures. Space-based mirrors or solar concentrators could in principle produce intense heating on a target area, but that requires astronomical scale to produce destructive effects at range. So what's more plausible today? Handheld plasma apparati or speculative? But people imagine plasma rifles producing and directing a coherent plasma jet. The physics is challenging, because plasma diffuses quickly in the atmosphere, needs magnetic nozzle confinement, and huge power density. Currently, there are no handheld plasma rifles, but industrial systems exist for cutting and welding using hot, directed plasma. Those systems aren't portable, though. Compact high-energy lasers and microwave systems are under development for point defense against drones and missiles. These are directed energy weapons, not plasma spears, but they produce similar effects through heating and electronics disruption. On the larger scale, orbital solar weapons are more conceptual than anything else. Large space mirrors or laser arrays concentrating sunlight or converting it to a beam are proposed. Engineering such systems poses immense demands for massive infrastructure, precision